think. Today I am escaping the noise, no crowds, just me, a tent, some food, and hours of silence in the middle of nowhere. Uh, I think I'll be camping here. Yeah, I found it. I found it. The spot is okay. I am not here to survive, to hunt, or cook. I'm just here to feel alive. Yeah, to feel alive. Setting up a simple camp reminded me of how uncomplicated life can be. No distractions, no schedules, just me and the essentials. Out here, I don't have to impress anyone or keep up with anyone else's expectation. I can just be. About to cook, two drinks. Um, yeah, we have some snacks, for the day because I feel alive here. Yeah, I feel so much more alive. Being out here alone, it's peaceful, relaxing, and I get to see the beauty of nature. All right. As you can see, I brought my gears. In the city, I'm constantly moving. Always on to the next thing, the next big goal.
But whenever I'm out here alone, I am always reminded that life doesn't have to be a race. Yeah, it doesn't. Nature has its own rhyme, a slow, steady heartbeat, and sometimes slowing down is the most powerful thing we can do.